Can I tell you what's been on my mind?
Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. All 105 of you. So I guess we got that mark. Is that the word? In the last video I talked about some downsides of living in Ireland, which was a big success because I'm over 100 subscribers now. Plus I got my first hate comment, and if I understand YouTube correctly, that means I'm doing something right. So, as promised in the last video, today I'm gonna talk about some reasons why I love living here. So, without further ado, number one, I have to say people. Irish people are so extremely friendly and chatty, talkative that when I first moved here I thought something is wrong with me, because anywhere you go you don't even have to start a conversation. Actually, that's the point. People will start a conversation with you and just talk about everything. Everyone will ask you, how are you, how is your day doing, stuff like that. Simple stuff, but you won't see that in Croatia. So yeah, people, number one, definitely. Number two would have to be opportunities, and by that I mainly mean the easiness of finding a job in Ireland. I mainly talk from my perspective, and by that I mean compared to Croatia. So I don't know about the other countries, but compared to Croatia, this is just it's not even comparable. You go, you do your interview, you give out your CVs, and you either get it or not. You don't need a connection to a political party or crap like that, which is a normal practice in Croatia. Number three, the city I live in, Galway. Galway is of course completely different than any town in Croatia, but that's not the point now. It just has that atmosphere. I'll wait for the truck to pass. Okay, that should be better now. Like, it's not too big, it's not too small. When I first came to Ireland, I spent my first 4 or 5 days, I believe, in Dublin, and I hated that. But that's just me. I don't like big cities. I didn't like Zagreb not in Kutina, in Croatia, the capital of Croatia, because it was too big for me. I don't like big cities, and that is why I think Galway is perfect. Plus, it has that warm look to it. Almost like I don't want to say medieval, but it has something, and it just suits me. I love it. I like how it looks. I love the people. I love how the streets look, everything basically. So yeah, that would be number three. Number four, nature. Completely different in Croatia than in Croatia, but it has I love all the green. I mean, you just have to go and see the cliffs of Moher, and that's all you need basically. I didn't see that much. I went to see Connemara and some of the castles here around Galway, so I still have loads to see here. But yeah, I love it. Of course, as I mentioned in the last video, if you expect lots of sun, then you won't love it, but yeah, it looks nice. It looks very, very nice. It's like from the movies. And last but not least, number five. Is that 5? Did I skip something? I guess, well, it's not, it will be 4, but number 5, dairy products. I love food, I love cooking, and the dairy products here, starting with butter, are just on another level. That's not comparable to anything anywhere I have tried. So yeah, that would be it. A simple list of 5 things why I like Ireland and living here. So if you liked this, press the like button. If you didn't, press the dislike one. And in any case, press the best button. Press the subscribe button, because we're on the road to 200 now, because 100 is a distant past. I'll see you in the next one.
I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts.